Imagine inviting a dozen friends over for dinner, but having only one giant plate for everyone to eat from. Sounds chaotic and potentially messy, right? That's what using traditional bus bars can feel like. Now picture giving everyone their own plate. Suddenly, the meal goes much smoother. Distribution terminal blocks offer this kind of individual plate to electrical connections, significantly reducing the risks of spills and accidents in the electrical world. Hi, I'm Sandesh, and in today's electrifying episode of Making the Right Connection, we are diving deep into the world of electrical engineering to uncover a game changer in power distribution within control panels. Join us to explore why the shift from copper bus bars to distribution terminal block isn't just a change, it's a revolution. Traditionally, power distribution in electrical panels relied heavily on copper bus bars. These flat strips or bars were the backbone of carrying electrical current within the panel. While effective, this method has its fair share of drawbacks. Live exposed conductors posed a constant risk to the operating personnel and also the equipment, as these were not designed as per IP standards. With such a system, it was very easy for live parts to come in contact with each other, leading to short circuits. At the same time, as there was no control in distance between two consecutive taps on a bus bar or even the number of taps on the bus bar, this could potentially lead to things like overheating of the bus bars and sometimes even arcing between connections. Often the bus bar systems along were not properly designed for the mechanical interaction between the bolts and the tapped holes. And as a result, the bolts would often easily become loose over a period of time, requiring constant attention and frequent retightening. Also, because of their contiguous design, the bus bars are quite unwieldy and impose serious restrictions on the distribution design of the cables inside panels, and at the same time do not allow for frequent connection and disconnection of cables and wires from the tapped points. Even circuit identification was a serious difficulty because of the lack of a proper color coding and marking mechanism. These complexities led to lower safety levels and higher costs, prompting for change and the evolution of modern distribution terminal block, which have been designed to overcome all of these deficiencies. The modern distribution terminal block is primarily a modular product that can be easily stacked to create the number of connection points as may be needed for input or output, which makes control panel wiring highly organized and scalable at the same time. Each connection point is provided with a proper wire clamping system, which can either be a screw type or spring type clamping system, and is designed keeping electrical safety standards in mind so as to provide an absolute safe connection. Be it proper adherence to ingress protection standards or maintaining the correct distance between live parts, these distribution terminal blocks are designed to meet a variety of international safety standards. Also, each connection point in a distribution terminal block is a mechanically robust, ensuring high pull-out strength and absolutely secure connection. These distribution blocks are also available in DIN rail mounting or panel mounting designs, lending versatility in designing panels. What's more, these distribution blocks can help in easy identification of circuit wiring because of their ability to carry proper marking tags and being properly color coded. These blocks are not just components, they are the building blocks of safety, simplification, efficiency and reliability in control panels. Connectwell offers a wide range of distribution terminal blocks, which are all designed and manufactured in compliance with international safety standards and carry multiple international approvals. Some distribution blocks are designed for specific applications, like our CLP series products for lighting pole power distribution or the CXDB hybrid connection series for power distribution in railway coaches. Meanwhile, other distribution blocks like the DB and PDB series products are designed for more generic use and can have input wire connection size ranging from 4 square mm to 185 square mm and output wire sizes ranging from 0.2 square mm to 35 square mm. And of course, these terminal blocks come with a variety of connection technologies in use, from stud and nut type connections or standard screw clamp type connections or even spring type connections. And there you have it, a comprehensive look into the transformative world of distribution terminal blocks. They are not just components, they are the building blocks of a safer, more efficient electrical infrastructure. If you are looking to enhance your control panels or any electrical system, consider the precision and reliability these blocks bring to the table. Until our next exploration, stay connected, stay safe, and keep innovating in the electrical world.